Heavy equipment can be one of the most costly investments for a contractor. For that reason, proper maintenance of your equipment is vital to ensuring a maximum return on investment, not to mention the fact that extra care increases both production and profit on jobs. After all, if your heavy equipment breaks down, it may very well stop or significantly delay work for a project. Implementing a maintenance routine. The first and probably most important step for properly caring for your equipment is establishing a regular inspection routine. Each piece of equipment should be checked on a daily basis for, at the very least, issues such as improper fluid level, deflated or damaged tires, leaks in fluid lines, as well as any loose or broken attachments. Regular maintenance requirements such as oil change or new brakes should be performed in accordance with manufacturer's specifications and scheduled in advance. However, if your equipment is regularly exposed to harsh environmental conditions, you'll need to adjust manufacturing recommendations accordingly. For example, in an area with a lot of dust, changing air filters might be required on a more frequent basis. On that note, keeping your equipment clean and free of debris should be another part of routine maintenance. It's an effective way to prevent corrosion and extend the life of your equipment. On a final note regarding a maintenance routine, remember that scheduling repairs in advance not only ensures that the repairs aren't forgotten, but also ensures you have ample time to have a workaround plan for a machine's downtime, boosting your job productivity. Following manufacturer recommendations. As we said before, following manufacturer recommendations for maintaining your heavy equipment is essential and a great place to begin when it comes to increasing the longevity of your equipment. However, each piece of equipment on the job site is unique and designed with a specific task in mind, not to mention the fact that the wide array of attachments available for each type of equipment may differ significantly from one another. For these reasons, due diligence will be required on your part. For example, if you plan on using both an auger and grapple skid steer attachment on your next project, you'll want to be sure that you familiarize yourself with the installation, operation, and troubleshooting process for each attachment. Believe me, you don't want to waste precious hours on the project trying to wrestle with a difficult attachment or, even worse, causing permanent damage to your equipment from improper attachment installation. On a quick side note about attachments, consulting with the attachment manufacturer before putting on an attachment is always a smart move. Another common mistake we've witnessed over the years is when contractors use heavy equipment for tasks the equipment wasn't designed for. Now, we've all seen crazy YouTubers who push their equipment way beyond their capability with risky stunts. And yes, sometimes we're impressed, but the consequences for improper equipment use can be costly and sometimes devastating. Improper equipment use can lead to breakdowns and accidents, not to mention the fact that you'll most likely get the job done better and quicker with proper equipment. For example, you might be able to get away with lifting some heavy material with an excavator, but, especially if the weight exceeds manufacturer recommendations, a crane would be better suited for the job. On another side note regarding attachments, one of the most common reasons for damaging either the machine or attachment itself is because the attachment's the wrong size. So don't be cheap and try to be patient. Get the right attachment for the right job. And when it comes to repairs, again, it's imperative that you follow the manufacturer's recommendations. For example, the manufacturer will most likely recommend a specific part and possibly even a specific brand in order to properly repair the equipment.
Want to view the entire lesson as well as all of the other lessons included in this course? Visit heavyape.com and use the coupon code E&C to get 25% off.